So today we're gonna do a e.l.f. tutorial. I'm not sure exactly, per usual, what I'm gonna do. I usually just sit down with a bunch of makeup, but I have a whole pile of e.l.f. products in front of me. A bunch of them are brand new, some of them are a little older, but I've like been accumulating random e.l.f. products for a while. So we're just gonna play with makeup and see what happens. Yeah, I'm really excited. We're gonna try out the new camo concealer today. We're gonna try out some new highlighters. I have a primer. I'm hoping to use this little cutie. So I don't know, let's see, we're just gonna jump in. So before we jump in, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, let's jump in. So first we're gonna hydrate with the Hello Hydration Face Cream. I have not tried this yet, but I'm very excited to. It smells nice. It smells pretty fresh, not overly scented, but there is a scent. It might be a little bit floral, but it's nice. It's nice. Okay, now we are going to prime with the Poreless Face Primer. I feel like I just use this. I don't know. They have so many new primers. It's crazy. I'm trying to figure out what it smells like. It just smells like skincare to me, but a certain kind. We're gonna go right in with foundation. This is the new Flawless Finish foundation. Mine is in Pearl. I think this is the third lightest shade. They were out of the first two lightest ones, but I think we're gonna be good with this shade anyway, which is nice. Now we're just gonna blend it out. I have been dying to use this. I have heard that it's for matte skin, so I'm a little nervous. I did put on eye cream earlier, so I'm hoping that's gonna help with the hydration of my under eyes. This one is in Fair Rose. She looks so fair. Look at that. Look how fair this concealer is. I am just amazed. This guy was like $5. $5, guys. Let's just, if this is great. I've heard really good things about it. So I'm just going to, it seems really thick. Like it feels thicker when you're putting it on. I know this looks like a lot. I like a lot of concealer. I usually only dip in once to the Shape Tape. I am gonna prime my lids with this as well because my e.l.f. eye primer was dried up. Ooh, she's so fair. That is a really, really, really fair concealer. That's amazing for the drugstore, but I'll just keep blending. Well, it'll be good. It looks nice on the under eye. It's definitely a matte concealer. Like I feel like it's like setting itself. I picked up two new brow products. So this is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Taupe and then the Wow Brow in Taupe. A lot of you guys wanted a natural brow tutorial, so I'll probably do that separately soon, but usually I do kind of a natural brow when I use a pencil. So it's just one of those like tiny brow pencils, kind of like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It's got a spoolie on one end. So for my brows, I literally, I'm just so basic about it because I'm not good at brows. Soon I think we're gonna learn more about brows. I hope we don't learn about brows. Brows at school. I just start by outlining them. Like underlining and lining the top. And then at the front of the brow, this is gonna be really messy. I'll clean it up with concealer after. I'm just gonna do upward strokes and fill in the rest. Now we're gonna try the Wow Brow. And again, I'm just kind of stroking upward in the front and then just kind of laying the rest of the hairs down. I have this little brush and bronzing duo. I'm sure everyone has seen this in St. Lucia, I think. Like I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use that blush in there. It looks really, it's just kind of peachy because I feel like, oh yeah, those go really nicely together. I like that. Because I'm not sure what I'm doing on the eyes, so I don't want it to be too overpowering. That's a nice blush. I like it. I like it. The two highlights that I have that are new are these two. I think I'm gonna actually use both. I think I'm gonna go in with this one because it's kind of a cream first and then the metallic one. I used this one on my face and I really liked it. I haven't used this one on my face yet though, so we'll start with this one. What, the Glow Moonlight highlighter? Moonlight highlighter and Glow. Ooh, it does. Ooh, it smells like coconut too, guys, but it smells real good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it a lot. Now we're gonna use a little bit of this metallic flare highlighter in white gold. I really like a highlight. If you don't know me, Ooh, ooh. I am feeling this combination a lot. I'm gonna take my blush brush and just kind of blend the blush and the highlight together a little bit. It doesn't do a lot, but it just does a little bit so you don't see so much of a, what's the word? Hard line. Yes, blending is your friend. Can't decide if I want to do like a neutral eye or use this guy. Let me pop it open and we'll take a look. I think we'll do this one. This one looks like fun. I mean, we can always use more than one, but this is what this guy looks like inside. She's pretty. It even comes with a little brush. What's funny is the last time I did an elf tutorial, it was all minty and I had mint hair. But it's been 2 years, so I think we can do more minty if we need to. We're gonna use this guy. I'm just gonna put that in a crease. I'm gonna take that same shade and go on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use the brush that came with it. This shade, ooh, she's pretty. I think I'm gonna dip into the cream liner for the lower lash line, just like kind of as a base. And now I'm just gonna go back into this teal shade, this dark one right here. Ooh, I wish I would have used it on as a base on the upper lid. That's really pretty. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try this metallic highlighter. Let's see. Pop it. So I'm gonna break into these little sponge tip applicators, these eyeshadow applicators that Elf sent. Okay, let's get on to eyeliner because I feel like I need to do something. I think eyeliner and lashes will help a lot. Right, so I have this marker liner. Hopefully it still works. It's huge. I literally, that's how big it is. I just got it on my face. We're gonna try and use this and like create a line above the line that I have, I think. Okay, we're gonna try this brow brush. This is what I've been using for my brows, so I don't know how this is gonna go. It's kind of a big one. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna clean up the black a little bit. Okay, so I don't think I have an elf mascara, so I'm gonna do my mascara off camera, and I'm also gonna put on these lashes. I do have elf lashes, but they're really small, and I don't think I'm gonna enjoy them as much as this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use these. Plus, this is a super affordable brand. This is from shopmissa.com. These faux mink lashes are $1.55, and then they have tons of lashes for only $1. This is, Gaia, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. All right, love, so I have my lashes and mascara on. I'm gonna put a little bit of this little highlighter on the inner corner, I think. I might need to layer it. I like a really, really intense inner corner highlight, so I think this will be a good base. And then I'll go back in with that same metallic highlight. Oh, I like this look so much more with liner and lashes. Like, I was a little worried there. It's like, do I have to refilm this? Okay, so this has always been my favorite elf lipstick. This is, what are you? I don't know what even type of lipstick it is, but it's in Natural Nymph, and I don't think this is made anymore. I tried to Google it. I had already put a little bit on, and then I was like, wait, I bet it's not available. I'm just gonna leave the little bit I have on, and then I'm not even sure if this one's available. I need to pick up a new elf lip color. The newest one I think that I have is this guy right here, which is a lip plumping gloss, which I'll use a little bit of, but I'm a little scared because I have a little crack in my lip right now, so that's not cute, but sorry guys. Failing on the lip front. All right, loves, I think I'm just gonna leave it with that, especially because my lip is a little dry. I think that's everything. So per usual with elf, like I really liked everything. Like I can't think of anything in here that I didn't like. I don't know. I'm pretty pleased with the look. Again, it looks so much better now that there's liner and lashes, and I'm glad that I put that extra line of teal above the wing because I feel like that just makes it a little bit different. Let me know what brand you guys want to see next. I definitely have a Wet n Wild one coming. I found all of the stuff that I bought for a Lottie London one. It was missing after I moved and I just found it all, so I should probably use that as I bought it all. So far I like the concealer. I can see it looks a little bit drier than some of like my other concealers. I normally use Shape Tape or the Conceal and Define from Revolution. So I don't know, I'll work with it. We'll see, maybe I can mix it with another one or just, I don't know, I'll let you guys know. But the coverage was really nice. It looks really nice on the under eye. It's just being overly picky. I really like how the foundation looks though. It's looking pretty nice. I'll try and leave it down in the description box how it like ended up looking at the end of the day. I just keep talking. I don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna stop talking. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Oh, that was a lot, Shannon. That was a lot. What the hell just happened? I think I'm gonna spritz this. Give it a go. Okay, don't do what I did and get the eyeliner on your face, because trying to fix this, you can still see like the spot where I took off the concealer. No matter how much I tried to fix it, it just like wasn't doing it. So we're just gonna look a little funky today. That's fine. My lips are so cracked. Ew. Ew. Oh, Wet n Wild well, this is off. What? Wet n Wild, more Revolution, whatever you want to see. My head is just, excuse me, my weave's popping out. Go back in. Excuse me. Excuse me? Get in there.